Hello everyone, this is Hanan and you're watching this video on my YouTube channel Tech with Hanan. Viewers, in this video I will talk about the foldable smartphone of Apple. Before talking about this, let's see about the Samsung. Samsung will release another foldable smartphone, Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 this year. According to some sources, they are claiming that Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 will sport S Pen. Now, Apple is also working on its foldable smartphones. Right now, Apple is testing its foldable display panels, which they bought from the Samsung. And some sources they are claiming that Apple will try to release the foldable smartphone in the bigger size than the Samsung. And now another news is that this Apple upcoming foldable smartphone will sport Apple Pencil. So let's see. But right now there is no official announcement yet. And if you talk about the release date, although as per some reports, they are saying some Apple will release this year their first foldable iPhone, whereas some sources are claiming that Apple will not launch this year. So let's see. There is no official announcement about yet about anything, but only one thing I can make sure that right now Apple is testing its foldable display panels. Let's see. I will keep you updated. Share this video with your friends and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. Thank you.